It is question number 21. We have to show that 7 to the power 2n plus 16n minus 1 is divisible by 64, and this mathematical statement is true for all values of n using PMI. Then for n equal 1, we have 7 to the power 2 into 1 plus 16 into 1 minus 1 equal 49 plus 16 minus 1, 65 minus 1 equal 64, means 7 to the power 2n plus 16 n minus 1 is divisible by 64 for n equal 1. If we put n equal 1, then we get 64, means this statement, this term is divisible by 64 for n equal 1. Now second step, let statement is true for n equal k, means that is 7 to the power 2k plus 16k minus 1 is divisible by 64. Now if this term is divisible by 64, then we can write 7 to the power 2k plus 16k minus 1 is equal 64 into lambda, where lambda is any positive integer. Then the value of 7 to the power 2k is equal 64 lambda minus 16k plus 1. Now we have to show that this statement is also true for n equal k plus 1. Then for n equal k plus 1, we have 7 to the power 2 into k plus 1 plus 16 into k plus 1 minus 1. If we put n equal k plus 1, then this expression becomes 7 to the power 2k plus 1 plus 16 into k plus 1 minus 1. Now open the bracket. Since we have to prove this term using this statement, means we can put 7 to the power, the value of 7 to the power 2k here. Then the value of 7 to the power 2k is 64 lambda minus 16k plus 1 into 7 square means 49 plus 16k plus 16 minus 1, which means 15. Now 64 lambda into 49 minus 16 into 49, 16k into 49 means 16 into 49 into k plus 49 plus 16k plus 15 64 lambda into 49. Now we can take 69k common, then 49 minus 1 and 49 plus 15 is equal 64. We can write 48 into 4 into 12 means 16 into 4 into 12 to k plus 64. Then this term is equal 64 lambda into 49 minus 16 into 4 means 64 into 12k plus 64. Now we can take 64 common. We have 49 lambda minus 12k plus 1, and we can let this term is equal 64 into, suppose it is equal m, where m is any positive integer. Then we see that this term is also divisible by 64 because it can be written in the multiple of 64. 7 to the power 2 n plus 16 n minus 1 is divisible by 64 for n equal k plus 1. Therefore, given statement is true for all values of n.